Now we're ready for a tour of spellingcity.com. Some ideas what you can do with the free resources. I don't have accounts signed up for my students because I use the free resources. So you have students type in spellingcity.com and you have them click on Find a List. On this Find a List page, you can add a search term here by teacher name. If you tell them a username, the school zip code, all of those items will get your list. So we're going to do it by teacher name, Donica. And I'm in here twice because this is the test one we're doing for this training. And here I am, and here's the digital citizenship list that I created during the last screencast. So I want to show you what you can do. Have the students then, they're trained to go into Spelling City, they're trained into looking for your list, and then here's a list. During the whole school year, I have a string of different lists that we're working with, whether it be science or language arts or social studies, vocabulary, and the most popular one that I like is just using it for spelling. So click on your list name, and now this is what the students will see. The list, so they can confirm they have the right one. The list of here are my 5 words, and here are my choices. Now, since I have only signed up for the free version, I have a spelling test, teach me, and play a game. So I'll show you those 3. If you happen to click on the others, it certainly will remind you didn't pay for the upgraded premium product, and you don't have access to some of these cool things. So here's my what I have them do first, which is a spelling test.
Get ready for the test. Don't peek at your list. Begin.
Digital. Computers read files on a digital camera.
Okay, so they've heard the word. They can start typing it. If they didn't hear it the first time, first time, they can click it again, and it'll say it for them again.
Computers read files on a digital camera.
And then they can type it in.
Citizenship. I have citizenship in my native country.
Just for fun, we'll spell it wrong.
Cyber. The students were called cyberbullies because they were harassing peers using the internet.
This is the one I typed in, so.
Internet. The internet links a computer to the world. Technology. The development of vaccines was a major advance in medical technology.
Alright, so now I've done my practice pretest, and this is one of the best places for the kids to go ahead and practice. Then it tells how many they got wrong, how many they got right, what the correct spelling of the word is to help them. So you train them how to go through their lists and practice. Alright, so here is my list. Here's my spelling test. Teach Me is another cool feature. When you click on that, you click on the word.
Digital. D-I-G-I-T-A-L. Digital. Computers read files on a digital camera. Digital.
And once the students are practicing and they're pretty confident, they can have options under Play a Game. Now the Play a Game button will actually give you every single option in 2 different categories. On the left side you can see the free activities, and just to tease you, on the right side, the premium activities. The spelling test I already showed you. There's Match It, where they have the sentences and the words, and they can click one, just a matching exercise. Different games with vocabulary, sentence unscrambling, sentence writing and paragraph writing, which is kind of cool. I've used that in here. Sometimes word search, hang mouse, which is just like hangman, unscramble. All of these, I mean, you can see what they are. the kids have fun with them while they're practicing on an independent level. And then what I have the kids do is go back into the spelling test again after they've practiced one of these items and then see if they improve their score. You can, again, pay for the upgraded premium activities, and there are flashcards to print, a little bit more fun games, but really I find the free activities to be really helpful for my students. So that's kind of a tour of Spelling City and what you can do. Go ahead and play around. After you go ahead and look at your list and check out some of the free activities, please post a comment, your feedback if you would find this helpful, not helpful, or any ideas you'd want to share with any of our classmates on the Wigio site, and that will help us. I think I'll work together to think of some different ideas of how to use these activities. Thanks.